What's going on, everybody? Just wanted to show you my setup. I bought this 2006 Fairmont Mep-803a 10 kilowatt diesel military generator. Got on a government liquidation site, fairly cheap actually. Brought it home, changed all the fluids, got everything ready, made sure it was all set to go, did some load testing on it. Everything seemed to check out, so I went ahead and built this pad. Got some anti-vibration pads underneath there as well, so it doesn't vibrate in the ground, upset my neighbors or anything. Had it professionally installed, electrician around here. Ended up setting it up with the Interlock kit, so it runs all the way up. That's my shed. This generator runs both my AC units, the whole house. I turned everything on in the house, and I was still about 50% power. Got my Interlock kit, so all I gotta do is just turn my main breaker off, slide this out of the way, or slide this down out of the way, then turn the generator breaker on, and powers the whole house, backfeeding the main panel. So like I said, this generator, it runs both my AC units, 3,000 square foot house. Ended up building this little sub panel right in here that connects to the generator. It is live when the generator is on. Ends up picking up 8 1500 watt space heaters to load test it, and I'm getting about 90% load on the generator. Ended up also purchasing a 55-gallon drum, fabricated my own little siphon pump with the hose that comes with the generator. So all I do is just plug that into there, fill the tank up, and I'll be good running for a few days. It'll automatically siphon the tank out. So I'll go ahead and start up the unit, let you hear it, nice and quiet. You don't hear anything out of this thing. A little bit of black smoke, initial startup, but it clears right up.